Looking for the perfect blender in 2025? Whether you need a powerful machine for smoothies, crushing ice, or making soups, we've got you covered. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best blenders of 2025, breaking down their features, performance, and value for your money. Stick around to find the perfect one for your kitchen. And don't forget, we've added links to each blender in the description box below, so you can check the latest prices and grab yours today. Let's get started. Number 5. Vitamix A3500 Brushed Stainless Blender. This Vitamix blender is one of the best we've tested. It has a touch screen, 5 blending programs, a timer, and adjustable speed settings to give you full control. In our tests, it made the smoothest kale and strawberry smoothie, no chunks, no bits, just pure deliciousness. Milkshakes came out thick and creamy, peanut butter was perfectly smooth with no pieces left, and margaritas had a light, fluffy texture just like in restaurants. It is a bit loud when blending tough ingredients, and the self-cleaning feature doesn't fully clean sticky nut butter. But overall, no other blender we tested performed as well. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, you can trust it to last for years. If you want a powerful and reliable blender, this Vitamix is a great choice. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 4. NutriBullet ZNBF30500Z Blender. This high-powered blender is a steal. It comes with 3 jars, making it super versatile and our top pick for the best value. You get a 64-ounce pitcher for big batches and 2 personal-sized cups, 32 ounces and 24 ounces with a handle. Both cups come with lids, so you can easily take your smoothie on the go. It features an extract button that blends smoothies at preset speeds. We tested kale smoothies in all 3 jars, and each one turned out perfectly smooth, no chunks or flecks in sight. It also crushed frozen strawberries effortlessly, making a delicious, evenly blended daiquiri. The base is compact, about the same size as other NutriBullet models, and has suction cups to keep it steady while blending. Just a heads up, the blades screw onto the personal cups, which then get flipped to blend. Be careful to unscrew the cup from the base, not the blade, to avoid spills. For the price, this blender is a fantastic deal. It's powerful, easy to use, and perfect for everything from large batches to single servings. If you want a blender that does it all without breaking the bank, this is the one. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 3. Cuisinart BFP703BC Smart Power Duet Blender. This popular Cuisinart blender and food processor combo is a great all-in-one kitchen tool. It comes with a 40-ounce glass jar and 7 easy-to-use blending and processing options. We love the compact food processor bowl for chopping, stirring, and shredding. In our tests, the blender was easy to clean and did a great job grinding ingredients. However, it struggled a bit with tough kale, so we recommend using it for berry and protein smoothies instead. The food processor attachment was a star. It minced parsley, shredded carrots, and sliced pepperoni with ease. Most parts, except the base, are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. Keep in mind that at 500 watts, it's not the most powerful blender, and it may pause to cool down if overworked. Overall, this affordable and versatile combo is perfect for everyday blending and food prep. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 2. Breville The Fresh and Furious Blender. We were really impressed with how well the Fresh and Furious blender performs for its price. The green smoothie setting gave us a smooth and creamy texture, no chunks of kale or spinach. It also has a regular smoothie button that made a juice bar quality smoothie in just 1 minute. In our tests, it pureed soup into a silky smooth texture and even made a great margarita. The blender is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. We did notice one small flaw: the jar is only 50 ounces and did stain a bit from tomato sauce. If you're looking for a hand blender instead of a full-sized one, we recommend the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which performed the best in our tests, emulsifying mayo perfectly with its non-stick arm. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com. Number 1. Ninja Blenders. We've tested many personal blenders, and this one really surprised us. Unlike most personal blenders that only have a pulse button, this model offers multiple preset options for easy blending. One of our favorite features is the Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, which has a built-in tamper and requires less liquid to blend ingredients into a thick, creamy texture. In our tests, it made a rich and smooth margarita with no sugar grit and homemade peanut butter in under 3 minutes. This blender suction cups firmly to your counter, so it stays in place while using the auto smoothie setting. It also comes with 3 jars, a 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar and 2 24-ounce travel jars with lids, all of which are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. If you want a versatile and powerful personal blender, this one is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description box to order now from Amazon.com.